episode 37 no 38 zafike zahlale okhabeni bafethu zizohlasela sibhizi zofuna usihle and niyambona bafethu umuntu ofuna usihle kunabo bonke le crew ngiyayibona yonke lento yenzakala umuntu omfuna kakhulu awunyakalo. So anyways ithi iqala bafethu episode kuvele behlasela okhabeni bebulala onogada bakhona usihle lapha akayizwa yonke lento le uhleli nethole lasekhaya endaweni ethile bebhace khona. Uma sebona ukuthi ayikahlasela lapho ke naye sesuma khona seyingovo ukuthi hayibo kanti kwenzakalani. Hey nalapho bafethu umfana lona ubandile usasesibhedlela manje uthuli akavuki akwenzi ke lutho. Okay, let's get to it bafethu. Nginibingelele bafethu igama uAzad. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming through and watching my review of the Outlaws that plays on Showmax. I think it comes through on every Wednesday, 2 episodes each week. I think right now we are close to the end because we are on episode 37 and 38. So as I was saying, they come through the farm, Utlali and his crew to actually kill usihle because of ama endeavors afuna ukuthatha ubani afuna ukuthatha uDumsane unefiso ethile afuna ukuzenza phela ngeplaza ngoba it's been a while efuna inherita since abazali bengekho nangu nomfana lapha yana ubani ubandile esesibhedlela. So anyways when they come through the farm kucaca ukuthi hey akekho la ixesha khona usihle kube khona umuntu afuna uma attack kanti luckily by inhlanhla kamdala vele afike bafethu Leroux as the knight in shining armor. He comes through, saves the day. Usihle at first is not keen to see Leroux because she has already had this idea that Leroux is the one actually who killed her parents. And through all of that, Leroux convinces Usihle, no, I'm not here to kill you, but I'm actually here to save you. We need to get away from this because Utlali is in your homestead to actually kill you from Mama orders as well with Dumsane. Still, Usihle is not convinced. Luckily, they break through Babaleke as a fear na yekupi elesuit. Laba abahleli egcekeni babhizi bahlanganisa ukuthi hayibo uPusihle hayi uhlale lapho benonyaka babezobuzwa umfana lona isiqashana lasabo lesuku umusa asho ukuthi lo muntu akekho. I've looked everywhere up and down everything ngiyabheka angimtholi lo muntu. What more can I do? I babona ukuthi ayikho lento le but at least because they've come through the farm they might as well just take the kill and go home. Inkomo zikhona more than 300 of them. I mean they're gonna go home rich even though bengamthola ngumuntu abeze ngayo. Hayi ke lento ngalana bafethu unkosikazi esibhedlela is up in arms naye uyafuna ukuthi umyeni wakhe avuke uthethisa onesi lapha yana uthi hayibo kwenzakalani kanjani. Kuningi bafethu kuningi ngala uDumsane nomfana wakhe benomsishi lapha nababuka ivideo esavele seveza uLeroux ebaleka noSihle. Avela nyaya bafethu lento uDumsane athi hawu bafethu kwenzakalani uhambelani umuntu lo muntu kanti kwenzakalani la awukwanele asho uyabona baba labantu bakho amsishi athi khulekani sengikhulumile mina abantu baselesuthi bebaleka nje ilesuthi ngisho bafune bathungathwe. They must actually go and search them and kill them. Akho umuntu ofanele aboshwe la hayi kuthi hayi kulungileke esibhedlela lutho akwenze kulutho. uLeroux athatha uSihle babuyele lapha yana babohlana nomzana noma wakhe nomngani wakhe ke lapha ya ukuthi ubani kanjani aba-introduce noma wakhe bandlu Leroux uSihle kuxolelwane kube khona ipeace engathi bakhona. Yeah, understand lento leyo which seems good. Noma wakhe uLeroux wazasho ukuthi mfana wami kanti ufuna lo muntu kanti hey shapho kanje muhle hayi she's worth fighting for kwangempela. Ngiyabona ukuthi hayi umashushu ngaye nje ngoba indlela ayiyona nangendlela enhliziyo enhle ngayo. Yeah, understand lento leyo. And then ngalana uhlali babuyeleke kubaba wakhe basho ukuthi hayi baba sabe kahle uhambo sikuthola kade sikudinga. Athi akulungileke intombi yomZulu nenze njani iphi? Athiwa asikutholi kwathiwa ngeke. Shothi kukhona umuntu owazi ngoba uLeroux is always a step ahead of us. There must be someone. Hayi kwathiwa shothi khona impimpi la within the crew yethu. Akule crew engake abantu abanawo bebasoye lo mfana omncane. Hayi kodwa ubaba athi hayi akusiyena mdedeleni. Bacabanga ukuthi bazokwenza njani. Yena lo mfana futhi again obaholele ukuthini bahambe bayobheka ukuthi ngabe bahleli kephi. Kuyena obaholayo ezithemba ukuthi afanele sombheka lo muntu ukuthi ngabe uhlezi kephi bafethu. Yayizwa lento leyo ngala abantu uLeroux kumnandi benoSihle bafundisana ukudubula ambuze ufundiswa baba nje ukudubula uSihle asho ukuthi ngafundiswa ubaba nami kanjani kumnandi. Hayi azasho bandlu lento uSihle bandlu ukuthi ayi kona ke kuningi okusebenzakalile hayi aza agunyuluke lapha yana apha aqaqe isifuba bandlu uLeroux wathi ungangibuza noma yini ofisa ukuyibuza. Hayi ke abuza uSihle sikwenzakalana achaza bandlu uLeroux indlela imvelaphi yakhe, where he grew up, where did he learn about lokuzingela nokulento ukuxotsha inkomo into yasekhaya kanjani achaze yonke into azamuneliseke bandla uSihle. Hayi ke kuthena ke kusenjalo ke bandla kuze kube mnandi baze badle idina as a family ngoba phela I believe uSihle manje is part of the family. Yeah, I understand a lot of that. And then on the other side of town uSihlali noNyakalo baze bahlangana noDumsane benomfana kukanwele bezokhuluma phela into abayenzile bamthembisa ukuthi hayi no Dumsane lalela sizomthola lo mfana lo uLeroy simthole noSihle sobabulala nje hayi uDumsane athi cha ngeni babulala uSihle noDumsane akuthina uLeroy wena noma ngambulala is fine hayi uNyakalo lapho uNyakalo phela uyamfuna uSihle ubulala yena ngokwakhe uNyakalo still got ibeef negrudge ukuthi uSihle kwamthathela indoda and lapho nalo uyakwazi lo kodwa ke uSihlali uzokwenza ngoba phela umuntu wakhe naye vele ziyaspina. I understand le nto leyo hayi bathi bazomthola kwathi ngelinye ilanga uSihle ehle noLeroy wathi hayi usafuna ukuyohlamba ahambe kayohlamba ehlambeni kwakhe bafike bafike lapho hawu ekufikeni kwabo ke laba ke kwacaca ukuthi hayi bayamthatha awajabule noNyakalo azambize ngomnakho sasawuyami nax ngize ngikuthole kanti la unje kumnandi kwaphuma isibhambawu oLeroy labehlele khona bezwe hayibo kanti kwenzakalani hey ngiyakutshela uLeroy wahamba yobheka athole ukuthi hayi ngempela hambile umuntu wakhe kuthi ngala isibhedlela eBackville la kulele khona ubandile hayi caca indaba ukuthi hayi kuyalunga ngoba ade belokho befika nolento lapha nobaba uDlamini lapha benomndodana wakhe bezobheka inkosikazi nolwandle ukuthi hey ngabe ikhona into enzakalayo is there any progress kwenzakalani makoti kwenzakalani so hayi usahlele umuntu ulele akuvukeki throughout the course of the day agcina sevukile esebengekho uDumsane lakhe le hawu wavuka bandla unkosikazi wamjabulela umyeni wakhe kwamnandi kanje into yokuqala evuka ayibuza umlisa ubandile uthi uphi uSihle obusengozini kumele kube khona into esikhulumayo hawu bafethu yaphela kanjalo ku-37 no-38 namhlanje kumhla ka-10 January 2024 sesilinde iviki elizayo sibone ukuthi yini futhi enye into ezayo ayibafethu it has been a good ride kule show Outlaws. Please ngicela mfethu niyibuke. Well, I think that's about it, Buffett. Thank you so much for coming through. Please don't forget to subscribe. Buffett, press the like button, press the bell button. Connect some notifications whenever I drop these videos. Comment, but Buffett, what is it that you are expecting as the ending of the show? But let's have this discussion. It's your boy Azadi Azadi.